And kena maru tangi churi katalau baru warga churi nambasi.
Ngori.
And numu ya siasa semena kora na bugi bitokan na matagi kuwa. And bugi boli pati kita siona. Siya dia ngalala na bugi ni kena nama gele sibuli. And bidana singa sa kotongo kama tabuni. Kemana nak kasi nibuli talaga.
Iyo.
Di boli tali churi na ngongo membala terkena dona kena nibuli quarters. Abi kemana na lesi po. Abi kakene baleti kemani sa. Baga ni malaka churi abi kemani. Nonton kono baru takena ouch palangi show.
Eat properly, drink properly, rest properly before coming and have the shopping.
Right.
Because there will be traffic in the line you are lining.
And also the weather, eh?
The weather.
It's very hot.
The weather too is undecided.
Right.
Bakaya naki bakaya vele da kita.
Right.
Baka kana baka tanan rek.
Iyo. This weather can cause rainbow. Baka rainbow.
Iya non rolang.
Iyo, it's riba bunan nonton noka.
Right.
It can knock out.
Yes.
During our walking material. We have to eat properly, drink a lot of water, and coming with if you know you are sick or you feel sometime you feel sickness, you can bring one of your family member together with you.
If the small ones are coming, the toddlers,
Yes.
Dr. Lake tabi lebih harus bukti kebe kebe cuna tabi non renggingi.
Iyo.
Right.
Rani bibuk sar boleh biak. Santong kan monin nama ketiko. Think of the na oso tahun niko. It will be busy today. So many kids.
True.
So many parents going to the same shop.
Plenty bookshop
Be
we
very
have.
careful, eh? Be very careful of
Plenty
them.
bookshop we have. We see the people lining outside.
Yes.
People are surrounded inside.
Yes.
And imagine if you have a shop, lack of aircon inside.
Oh!
It will be utilization.
Yeah, last week when I was in Osori on Saturday, there was a missing child.
Oi.
One small girl, so I had to carry her, and we were looking for her mother.
Family.
Really?
Yeah, for her family. For around nearly 30 minutes, I was holding this baby, this little girl.
Sometimes it's the parents' fault. Sometimes it's a children's fault because they run around, eh?
Yes.
And it's very, very compact.
It's very, it's our responsibility as parents to always look out for them.
Yeah.
So it's better if someone is at home, just leave them with the kids because it will be, right. You will be holding a lot of plastic, shopping bags. And then there is a child for you to look after.
Because the kids know their kid very well.
Right.
How about dad and mama stay outside and the kids go and shop inside? Like you stay outside, carry mama outside.
Carry mama membuno tata.
Yes, I knockout tata.
Kau sini malala na mayroong ko yan na tinibi. Hey, alam mo na kabasu, Steve
And
Murphy.
you tell the children, stay as long as you want inside the shop.
Kau dapat tu na sisili tu ng Bukalo Creek. Teki-teki ngayon doon tu na pone-pone. Hey, Steve Murphy, Vasu, John Kumar, mula minaka. Blessed day, bless everyone this morning.
All right.
Gather lo mani stoya, eh? Nayaya tudok sa tumikisya.
Be mindful also, be careful of your belongings. The purse, nabi katalis of membaleta no baleta. So many people too are going out there trying to
Yes. Yes, be very careful.
Be
very careful. Yan ren rapagitiko, eh?
Okay. Oban tal to kabita may rusi sa matong mengor mekaningem. Good morning, Rakabosa. Good morning, John Kumar and everybody. Joining this morning.
Saying told drivers this morning, all the passengers,
right?
Taxi drivers, minivan drivers, all the bus drivers. Super sorry corridor. We say welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. Yeah, okay. Me tabar balap no boli nama.
It's up to them.
Because
they are look like
they look like
they not look like.
Don't say they look like
they are like some kornang gasing-gasing. They in the seashell. They will roaming around and see this, see that. Come from this bookshop to another bookshop.
Yes.
They just looking for the everything.
Elro, listen to this. He has been banned to go with the mama and the kids.
Yes.
Because every time they go out shopping for the back to school thing, he always do something.
Apa?
Smiling at the other maramas.
You know, we women, we ladies, when we go around like that, we try and find the best the best the prices, the low prices. Because we want to save. Na mula ni Mama Roy.
Hindi bangkara na prices nan ragi tunggo sa sin kay ragi bangkara prices. Just go nga enta buy from there, go carry on. If you go from here, traffic from here, you go from there, traffic from there. Kanga na yado ya, tunang kaya kan di bala sin sa kada baka.
Kaya sar, dito na merkado mo pinang lubenda, may sinimero to na kitenra merka ko nila taon ni. Para jing ta tal jing ka, remember mo to na kaya na siya ni may todo ko. Na boli ana singa pinang.
Don't crashing the line. Be in a proper manner. From Tamay Rusi. Some people they want to crash the line while the line was there. Don't. Be respectful.
Yes.
Be symbolized.
Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. And there's also this one trick that we should do. We should, because we have internet and we have access to smartphones. We can look up the best prices. Who is selling the best, low prices, books for low prices. And then we do our budget. So we just go and then we know where to go and where to shop and then we come back. Prevent those hassle and those long lines and just looking for this and that, not making sure of what to buy.
Some people they all come
during your school days in Nakoro. How many books do you have in class 1?
Myself, my book.
Stone.
Just so many book.
Oh, ito tayo nakarong
so many book and especially some of my remaining books from last year I use again this year.
Okay, how many lesson in class 1?
There are so many lessons.
Ito ko naman ako, ikaw na mo buli man ako, just one piece of paper, the whole year.
Eda mo na bola. Nasuli loloma. Sometimes back in the days, now we have the government the assistance, the $200. Some of us we remaining book from last year. Mga tagtumbang ngay 5 benganan raw na kotitanya. Marital we carry on with the book.
The message is very different. Nanoni boli class 1 ko mga tagtumbang beda bulan form 7.
Meda badla bala ko share.
Okay, I would like to say something today. See, kung na budgeting to ka mo every morning, every mataka. They always share every morning. Okay, so this year, never mind the $200 next year. Basta budget ta ginabi ka militar for next year. Put it in a bottle. The money bottle. One each.
Right.
50 cents a payday. So nakabaya. Mela ka ba na $200 ko ikowele? Yung sa bolero to nabi kami balitir to. Sa kay kan money bottle nga no ti papa ko kasulili waya. Ron to me boli kina.
See?
A lot of parents are practicing that. We can see.
Right.
This year. There's a lot of parents who have already bought their, like after Christmas and New Year, parents have started buying their stationaries. Students' stationaries.
You every month buy one saddle.
One saddle mainly lang mo doon. Bengon ni besok mileles tu bebo manlen. Kaya cum sangat bisu ngomong salis tali mai.
Habis so itu kami manlen dah.
Ya so kana kawo boten yan dodol mesan na pabulidikan de kinango. Dako di para rabitu yan na buguni bi kay sole na matanitu. Matanitu yan no mikenda ngama. Yo kenda menda lichu monda bikenda. Da daka mandra ka bali sikenda bitanon ra mani bord la lubenda. Ikonomu go pabulidir to chura kapaya. Ena le rambai le usar na bunua. Ena le vivo nortu bakasama. Ni sana utsina ya na bola ni buli ke na bika talebaya. Nugo beskeli na sing sudu. Nakakita ba sa basik may viri lalo benda? Libo taro tarong bigo na. Aro talaga ni kay nung kani doon ko t-shirt. Basa juga ya. Teka mo ba nakalalay? Kakaunuwara ka tulabi kaya suli mo na matitu baleta. Nakangana ya tabi bitong ka ng itaw ni. Baleta doon ka na ngon basik may kina.
John Kumar mil na lewo bilesenia.
Orang bilang kibra nagasilibuli na itubo-tubo ka na doon susu. Buku di kami balitir lalo benda. Ilu na buki di kornibuli. Ada apa gori na high school mo dai iko gibelo ka nga mufo may pakalo na ngone kurni buli sar kailangan tu mendapi kambali tiko senior shift na cash asuli nga pa no kurni buli sa sini soma asuli nga pa no kurni buli labi kami baleta na nomu kandi buli yang ko salah sarama be kimne tumbu kenan to be sus
Right.
Mario matera pula yang benaka ne ori redule tama emosi.
Tama emosi.
Don't boleh benaka may mamangka.
Like